And today we will learn about that how we can open the Excel file from the Blue Prism. So very initial stage what we required the VBA very initial very initial stage we required the MS Excel VBO, which is by default Blue Prism is providing. Let's suppose we have this Excel set data, student data, where the name and roll number and the subject wise the marks it is given here. So now we need to open this Excel file and read this data. So how we can do that? So today we will learn about the how we can interact with the Excel file and how it will work. So let's start how we can do that. So very initial stage we required to the create the process. So let's suppose we are creating the Excel process. Now double click on this process, so it will be open. So now very initial stage what we required so very initial stage we required to create instance, right? Then after we required to open the excel file, and the third stage we required to show that Excel file whether it has been open or not. So basically these three action we required to interact with the initial stage how to the Excel sheet will be open. So let's start. So I have taken here the action, the first one. Here you can see the object, business object. So we required to select the MS Excel or BVO here. Now very initial stage we required to any activity when we want to perform, so we required to create instance here. So let's select the create instance. Even output handle the once the instance will be created, it will be passed as a handle number, it will be give as a handle number. So this is the handle. Now the second thing, we need to open that Excel file. So here the activity is mentioned, so we can select that open workbook. So whatever the handle it is created, so we need to pass here, right? And the file name, what is the file name, it is there. So let's suppose file name which is here already there. So let me copy the path. So you copy this path and paste here, and the password in this file there is not mentioned, so it is not required to these two things. And workbook is this. So let's suppose workbook is created now. Then after what we required, uh, then after we required to show that Excel file. So here handle only we need to pass that. So let connect to each other and run till that. Let's see what happened. So handle it is created one. It is the, if you see the workbook name, it is student data. So if you see here, this will be open. So this is the whole activity to open the Excel file. So here we learn that how we can open that Excel file. The next video we will learn about that how we can get all this data into a collection.